Hello everyone, today in this video we will be learning how to find the square of a 3-digit number by using diagonal method. I have already uploaded a video on finding the square of a 2-digit number by diagonal method. In this video we will be learning how to find the square of a 3-digit number by using diagonal method. So we will be solving two examples in this video. First we'll find the square of 137. So as our number is a 3-digit number, so we will make a square with 3 times 3 which is equal to 9 sub-squares. So we'll make 3 columns and 3 rows in our big square like this. And we'll complete our square. Now we'll write the digits of our 3-digit numbers on top of each square horizontally and vertically too, as shown here. So we'll write 137 here and 137 here on the left hand side of the square. So 137 horizontally and 137 vertically. So multiply each digit on the left to each digit on the top of the square. So 1 times 1 is 1. Now we'll write 0. So this is 1 is a single digit number. So we'll divide this square diagonally and we'll write 0 and 1. Now 1 times 3 is 3. So we'll write 0, 3. 1 times 7 is 7. So we'll write 0, 7. Similarly, we'll follow the steps for second and third row too. So we'll multiply 3 with 1 here. So 3 times 1 is 3. So we'll write 0, 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So this will be 0 and 9. 3 times 7 is 21. This is a 2-digit number. So the 10th digit will come on top, 2, and the 1st digit will be at the bottom of the square. Now 7 times 1 is 7. So 0, 7. 7 times 3 is 21. That is also a 2-digit number. So 2, 1. And 7 times 7 is 49. So 4 on top and 9 at the bottom of the square. Now we'll start adding the numbers diagonally. So let's increase the diagonal length here so it is easy for us to understand where we are adding the numbers. The number here will be 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 3, 0, 3, 0, 7, 2, 9, 2, 7, 1, 4, 1 and 9. So we'll be adding these numbers. We have to keep in mind that we have to start adding the numbers from the lowest diagonal. So here our lowest diagonal number is 9. So 9 plus there is no other number. So this will become 9. I'll use some other color to write. This will be 9. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. And 20 plus 7 is 27. So we will write 27 here and we'll underline 7. And 2 will be carried over to the next place. So every time if we are getting a 2-digit number, 10th digit will be carried over to the next place. So here now we'll add all the numbers here in this diagonal. So this is 3 plus 3 which is equal to 6. And we have a carried over 2. So we'll add 2. So this will become 8. The sum of this diagonal is 8. Next the sum of these numbers here 0 plus 1 plus 0 is 1. And the first column is 0. So our number is now, we'll start writing the number from the lowest column which is 9, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 0. So our number is 18,769. So this is the square of 137. So we can now write 137 square is equal to 18,769. This is our final answer. We'll box the answer. So let's take one more example where we'll take a bigger number. Let's take 689. and find the square using diagonal method. So our second example is a number which is 689. So we'll write this number first horizontally and then vertically. Before that, made a square with 9 small squares inside, cause we have 3-digit number and 3 times 3 is 9. So we'll make 9 small squares inside a big square. Now one by one we'll multiply each digit on the left of the square to the each digit on the top. So 6 times 6 is 36. It is a 2-digit number, so we'll make a diagonal and we'll write 10th digit on top and 1's digit in the bottom of the diagonal. Next, 6 times 8 is 48. So 4 and 8. 6 times 9 is 54. So 5 and 4. 8 times 6 is 48. 4 and 8. 8 times 8 is 64. 6 and 4. 8 times 9 is 72. Now 9 times 6 is 54. 9 times 8 is 72. And 9 times 9 is 81. So we have written all the digits after multiplying. Now we'll add the digits in the diagonals. So let's increase the length of the diagonal so that it is easy for us to add and the numbers are separated. So let's add the numbers in the diagonals now. So this is 1. The sum of this diagonal is 2 plus 8 plus 2, which is 12. So we'll underline 2 and 1 will be carried over to the next diagonal. Add the numbers in this diagonal. So 4 plus 7 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 7 is 22. And 22 plus 4 is 26. So the sum of this numbers of this diagonal is 26. 1 is the carried over number from previous diagonal. So this is 27. So we'll underline 7 and 2 will be carried over to the next diagonal. So the next diagonal sum is 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 19 plus 8 is 27 and 27 plus 5 is 32. So this becomes 32 plus 2, which is equal to 34. So we'll underline 4 and 3 will be carried over to the next diagonal. So the sum of the digits in the next diagonal is 4 plus 6 plus 4, which is equal to 14. And the digit from the previous diagonal is 3. So this becomes 17. So we'll underline 7 and 1 will be carried over to the next diagonal. And next diagonal we have only number 3. So 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. We'll underline 4. Square number will be all the numbers which we have underlined. So we'll start writing the units digit from the lowest diagonal sum. So this is 1, 2, then 7, 4, 7 and 4. So our square number is 4,74,721. So the square of 689 is equal to 4,74,721. This is our final answer. So we'll box the answer. So this is how, by using the diagonal method for finding the square of a number, you can find the square of any number. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.